How to use two languages on Samsung keyboard. So if you want to use two languages on Samsung keyboard, currently you can see I only have one language, which is English, the UK version. So if I want to add other languages, I can just tap on the settings icon next to the keyboard app here. So once I go to this settings, here you can see languages and type inside Samsung keyboard settings. Go to languages and type, and here you can tap the three dots, or you can go to more input languages, and let's say you want another. So let's say I want Chinese. I will simply turn on Chinese here, and once I've done that, now whenever I want to, let's say, type something, I can simply tap on this little button here to simply switch between the keyboards that I want in this case, or I can simply long press on it, or I can long press on this little button and switch to Chinese as well. So just depending upon whichever language that you want, tap on the gear icon and go to language and types and simply turn on or off the language that you want. So in this case, I will simply turn this off, but just like that, you'll be able to use more than even two languages on your Samsung keyboard. But you need to download the language pack, so that will require you to have internet connection. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.